If you subscribe to the channel, there's a bunch of videos where we bring this 1989 RM250 slingshot back to its almost original race beauty. We're nearly done this project 1989 Suzuki RM250 slingshot. There's a couple of things we have to complete first before we get into it, but if you are a channel member, you would have seen the video where we actually first got this thing out of hibernation and got it running and pointed out my seat. And that's what we're looking at. If I could get a seat foam from Guts, that'd be ideal. The original seat on this thing was carved out and really bad shape. I actually started working with Guts Racing. Thank you so much. They're my first sponsor for this bike. We actually have some neat products from Guts Racing. The first thing we're going to install today is the 1989 Suzuki RM250 seat foam that Guts Racing manufactures. And in this box we have from Guts Racing is the new seat foam, and it says, please check the products before ordering on the sticker to make sure you have the right foam for your bike, because if you open this pouch, they will not return it and replace it. But yeah, this is identical to what we want, and it's got the nice corners in the back. It's a good firm hunk of foam, and it looks like it's shaped for the pan already. So we'll get that on. The second piece of the puzzle, you'll find a link to this video in the description, but we're going to install the Guts grip cover for the Suzuki. This is a cover that will fit the 1989 Suzuki RM250, whether you're getting the new seat foam or putting this on your original bike. Remove your seat from the bike. This is 2 bolts on this machine. Refer to your owner's manual or service manual for your particular application. Seats usually just lift up at the back and slide backwards to pop off. You're going to see on your seat a bunch of staples that are holding the stock cover on. It'll be a lot nicer than this. Use a pair of needle nose pliers, maybe a screwdriver or a staple remover, and you can pop this old cover off. All right, that's the last one. But that's my seat foam right there. Nothing beats the OEM foam. It's hard to find the firmness, the correct firmness, and it's hard to find the shape. We're gonna take this seat foam, we're gonna install it on the pan. Ooh, free stickers. Everyone loves free stickers. So let's see how this thing fits. Fits in the nose really good. It looks like it's tucking along here. It's fitting the sides really nice, and the back slides right in. To install the foam, you're gonna need a spray like this. This is 470 spray adhesive. You can order it on Amazon or I got this at an upholstery shop. It's basically contact cement. We just want to secure the foam in place. So you don't need it everywhere, but I think the key spots are in here, the front, and the back. Wherever you put this adhesive, we're gonna do the same on the pan. To start out, I'm just gonna shake this firmly and just gonna give her a little blast. Like that. We're gonna set that aside to dry. And we're gonna spray the pan in the same locations. Nice coat of it. That might take 15-20 minutes to dry, but we'll leave that dry and we'll check it in a few minutes to see how it goes. The spray can adhesive I use says to wait 3 minutes for it to get tacky. It's been 3 minutes, so we're gonna actually install this pan onto the seat foam. I'm gonna start at the back because it actually tucks into the cover like this. Fit that in there, and we're just gonna go along. I'm not gonna press hard on it until I know that it's fitting everywhere it needs to fit. That looks really good. You wanna make sure it's centered up on the seat as well. Now you can actually press it in place when you're happy with where it's going. And you can reposition it if you don't like it. See that? And it'll actually reposition around there. And then the back, how we do in here. Looks like it's got to go over more. So I'm just going to roll this back. Just like that, and then I'll get that lip up over the seat pan. The cover will hold it on, but that looks really good. You want to make sure that you're even around all sides, which it looks good. And that's it installed. I've already got it dirty. But it looks really good.